Can you solve the most basic question of mathematics, which I'm going to give you all right now? But I can guarantee that maximum of you will give the wrong answer of that question. Yeah, wrong answer. But before that, please do like, share, subscribe my channel, and please support this video. Now let's start with the video. So here's your question, and is the most basic question of mathematics. Yet maximum people give the wrong answer. What's your answer? Just pause the video and tell it in the comment section. So I hope so that you tried this problem and you must have got some answer. There must have been two wings of people who are giving the answer. The first one giving the answer as 1 and the second one who are giving the answer as 9. So which one is correct? Well, let's see. So the problem is 6 divided by 2 into 1 plus 2 is equal to what? Now if we apply the basics of mathematics and calculation, which is the board mass, if you remember that, it is called bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. And this is the precedence order which we are going to follow. So in this, we are going to give the first priority to the bracket, then division, then multiplication, right? Okay. So now let's see it. So in the bracket, we have 1 plus 2, right? So first of all, we are going to evaluate that. So we get 6 divided by 2 into 1 plus 2 is equal to 6 divided by 2 into 3, right? Okay. Now we are going to follow this by division, that is 6 divided by 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6 divided by 2 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 3 into 3. Now 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So according to me and BODMAS rule, it should be 9, the correct answer. And the second wing of the people who got the answer is 1. I know how they have got the answer 1, right? They must have done 6 divided by 2 into 1 plus 3. They wrote it like 6 divided by 2 into 3. And then they wrote 6 divided by 6, which is equal to 1. They first multiplied the answer and then gave the answer as 1, right? So that is why there is a controversy that why answer should be 1 or 9. So the correct answer should be 9 according to me and the BODMAS rule. So if you did enjoy this video, then please do like, share, subscribe my channel and please support this video. Bye bye, take care.